DAO 2000-98 Mine Safety and Health Standards, presented by Nick Saga II. Introduction. DAO 2000-98 Mine Safety and Health Standards, DNR Administrative Order Number 2098 was issued under the Philippine Mining Act of 1995, Republic Act 7942, to establish safety and health regulation for mining operation in the Philippines. Goals: encourage a health and safety conscious culture in mining operation, make sure that safety and health precautions are strictly enforced to improve safety, put in place efficient monitoring systems, inspection and investigations, boost cooperation between the government, employers and employees in order to promote safety, promote mining safety training and human resource development, and verify adherence to global health and safety standards. Scope and coverage applies to all businesses, employees, contractors, permit holders, and service providers involved in mining, quarrying, exploration, mineral processing, and related operation. Key provisions of DAO 2000-98 Safety and Health Organization. Employers must establish a safety and health office headed by a registered safety engineer. A central safety and health committee must be created to oversee safety measures. Mines are classified based on workforce size, and each class has minimum safety personnel requirements. Safety inspection and reports. Employers must report accident to the Mines and Geosciences Bureau within 24 hours. Monthly safety and health reports are required. Duties and responsibilities. Employers must conduct risk assessment and provide personal protective equipment, implement training programs, ensure access to medical facilities in proper working condition, investigate accident unsafe condition, submit regular safety reports to authorities, follow safety rules and procedures, report unsafe condition, and participate in safety training. Penalties: failure to submit safety and health programs, fine up to 5,000 pesos; failure to report accident, fine up to 10,000 pesos; repeat violations, increased fines or suspension, cancellation of mining permit. Common violations by mining companies include late safety reports, failure to enforce PPE usage, lack of emergency drills, poor housekeeping, and improper high wall benching. Thank you.